Get ready to see the transportation of the future as we examine the most incredible Hyundai Futuristic concept trucks and buses ever produced. Hyundai is driving the path for efficient and environmentally friendly transportation, from its groundbreaking hydrogen fuel cell technology to its aerodynamic designs. Join us on this thrilling adventure into the future by fastening your seatbelt. Number 4 is Creta STC. The Creta STC Sport Truck concept is a sleek and cutting-edge pickup truck that blends the comfort and convenience of a crossover SUV with the adaptability and usefulness of a pickup. The car's distinctive design includes an aggressive front fascia, contoured flanks, and a streamlined roofline. It is built on the Hyundai Creta SUV chassis. The Creta STC 1.4-liter gasoline turbocharged engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission to provide power under the hood. This vehicle can perform well on and off the road because of the powertrain's capacity to generate up to 140 horsepower and 242 Nm of torque. Additionally, the Creta STC concept was created with versatility and usability in mind. It has a sizable cargo bed that can accommodate a range of items, from sporting equipment to building supplies. Additionally, the interior of the car is equipped with high-end materials, cutting-edge technology features, and plenty of legroom to give passengers the best level of comfort and convenience. Next comes the Hyundai Elevate concept. Hyundai revealed the Elevate concept at the Consumer Electronics Show CES 2019 in Las Vegas. The vehicle is made to be a flexible transportation option that can adapt to a range of environments and circumstances. Built on a modular framework, the Elevate idea may be transformed into several configurations. 4 robotic legs on the vehicle can extend and retract, enabling it to climb over obstacles, traverse rough terrain, and even ascend and descend stairs. The legs also have wheels that may be used for standard on-road and highway travel. An electric motor that offers immediate torque and acceleration powers the Elevate idea. The car also has a variety of cutting-edge sensors and cameras that enable it to recognize and navigate its surroundings, including pedestrians and obstructions. Number 2 on the list is H350 Fuel Cell Concept. The H350 fuel cell concept is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell system that produces electricity to power the car's electric motor. It is based on the Hyundai H350 van platform. The vehicle is zero emission since its fuel cell system only emits water as a byproduct. With a range of up to 400 kilometers, about 250 miles on a single charge, the H350 fuel cell concept is appropriate for usage in a variety of industries, including commercial fleets and public transportation. Regenerative braking is another element of the car, and it helps to recover energy that would otherwise be wasted during braking. The H350 fuel cell concept stands apart from typical diesel-powered buses, thanks to its sleek and contemporary appearance. The car has a big panoramic widescreen that offers the driver and passengers superb view, as well as a roomy cabin with seats for up to 14 people. The top most futuristic concept is Neptune Fuel Cell Electric Truck concept. With hydrogen fuel cell technology that produces electricity to power the truck's electric engine, the Neptune Fuel Cell Electric Truck concept is intended for long-distance travel. The vehicle is zero emission since its fuel cell system only emits water as a byproduct. With a range of up to 1,200 kilometers, about 750 miles on a single charge, the Neptune Fuel Cell Electric Truck concept is perfect for long-distance transportation without the need for frequent recharging. Regenerative braking is another element of the car, and it helps to recover energy that would otherwise be wasted during braking. The Neptune Fuel Cell Electric Truck concept is aerodynamic and streamlined in form, which is intended to maximize fuel efficiency. A huge touchscreen display and a number of driver aid systems are among the latest technological features of the vehicle's roomy, comfortable interior. Are you aware of any other amazing Hyundai futuristic concept trucks and buses? Do let us know in the comments section. Also, tell us which one among these 5 did you like the most.